Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you are in the market for a laptop that completely blurs the line between a portable machine and a high-end desktop powerhouse, you need to pay attention to this video. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the brand new 2025 Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 AI gaming laptop. And let me tell you right out of the gate, the specs on this machine are absolutely mind-blowing. We are talking about the cutting-edge Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, specifically the 275HX, paired with the next-generation NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to upgrade your gaming rig, this might just be it. Make sure to watch until the end of the video because we are breaking down everything from the stunning 240Hz display to the thermal performance and explaining why this specific model, the PHN16-73-92B8, is currently dominating the charts. Also, if you want to check the current pricing or pick one up for yourself, I have dropped the best link in the description below. Clicking that link helps out the channel, so thank you in advance. Now, let's get into the review. Let's start off by talking about the design and the build quality. The Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 AI comes in a sleek, stealthy black clamshell form factor. It weighs in at exactly 6 pounds with a thickness of 1.05 inches. Now, 6 pounds isn't an ultra-light ultrabook, but for the insane amount of hardware packed inside, it is perfectly balanced as a desktop replacement that you can still throw into a backpack. It's built for gamers, students, and creators who need serious horsepower on the go. Opening the lid, you were greeted by an absolutely gorgeous 4-zone RGB backlit keyboard. The keys have incredible travel, making it highly tactile whether you were typing up an essay for school or smashing the WASD keys in a competitive shooter. The multi-zone RGB is fully customizable, allowing you to set the perfect mood for your gaming setup. Below that, we have a premium ClickPad touchpad that is highly responsive, though, let's be real, most of you will be plugging in a dedicated gaming mouse anyway. But once you power this beast on, your eyes are immediately drawn to the display, and wow, Acer did not hold back here. We are looking at a 16-inch WQXGA LCD panel. For those who aren't familiar with the acronyms, that translates to a native resolution of 2560 by 1600. The 16:10 aspect ratio gives you more vertical screen real estate, which is fantastic for productivity, video editing, and of course, improved field of view in gaming. But the resolution is only half the story. This screen features a blistering 240Hz refresh rate coupled with NVIDIA GeForce G-Sync technology. This means screen tearing and stuttering are things of the past. If you play fast-paced competitive games like Valorant, Apex Legends, or Counter-Strike 2, that 240Hz refresh rate is going to give you a massive competitive advantage. Furthermore, the panel hits a maximum brightness of 500 nits. This is incredibly bright for a laptop display, meaning you won't have any issues gaming in a well-lit room or near a sunny window. Combined with ultra-thin bezels, the immersion you get from this 16-inch display is truly top tier. Alright, it's time to talk about the main event, the performance under the hood. The 2025 Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 AI is powered by the 13th generation architecture Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, 275HX. This CPU is an absolute monster. It boasts a staggering 24 cores and can boost up to a massive 5.4 GHz. Whether you are running complex physics simulations, rendering 4K video, or streaming to Twitch or YouTube while gaming, this processor will not bottleneck you. It absolutely destroys multitasking workloads.
And what is a world-class CPU without a world-class GPU? Acer has equipped this laptop with the dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti graphics card. But here's the kicker. It uses the brand new GDDR7 graphics RAM. You are getting 12 gigabytes of the fastest VRAM available on the market today. The The leap from previous generations to the RTX 5070 Ti is phenomenal, especially when it comes to ray tracing and AI-driven frame generation. You can easily max out settings on the most demanding AAA titles at the native 1600p resolution and still enjoy buttery smooth frame rates. The AI in the laptop's name really shines here, utilizing advanced machine learning algorithms to optimize power delivery between the CPU and GPU dynamically, ensuring you get maximum frames per second when gaming and battery efficiency when you're just browsing the web. To feed that hungry processor and graphics card, Acer has included 16 gigabytes of lightning-fast DDR5 RAM, clocked at an impressive 6400 MHz. Because it's a modern DDR5 setup, everything from app loading times to system responsiveness is snappy. And if you're a hardcore power user, you'll be happy to know there are 2 RAM slots, allowing you to max this machine out up to 64 gigabytes down the road. For storage, you get a spacious 1TB Generation 4 solid-state drive. Gen 4 SSDs offer absurdly fast read and write speeds, meaning your computer boots up in seconds and those frustratingly long game loading screens are practically eliminated. Now, with all this immense power, you might be wondering, doesn't this thing get super hot? Thermal throttling is the enemy of gamers, but Acer has engineered a brilliant solution. This laptop features their proprietary 5th-generation AeroBlade 3D fan technology for improved cooling. The custom-engineered fans and heat pipes work tirelessly to pull cool air from the bottom and exhaust the heat out the back and sides. Even during intense, hours-long gaming marathons, the system keeps the Core Ultra 9 and the RTX 5070 Ti operating at peak performance without uncomfortable keyboard temperatures. Let's shift gears and talk about connectivity, because an online gamer is only as good as their connection. The Predator Helios Neo 16 AI features the latest killer Wi-Fi 6E, offering a more stable wireless connection with drastically reduced latency. It also features Bluetooth 5.4 for all your wireless peripherals, but if you demand the absolute lowest ping possible, you're going to love the physical LAN port. This isn't just standard gigabit Ethernet. Acer has included a massive 5 gigabit Ethernet port. This provides unparalleled bandwidth, guaranteeing you won't drop packets during crucial clutch moments in your ranked matches. The port selection is incredibly generous. You get 9 ports in total, completely eliminating the need for dongles. You've got 3 high-speed USB ports, a cutting-edge Thunderbolt port for ultra-fast data transfer or connecting external docks, a full-sized HDMI video output, and a display port. It seamlessly connects to external displays, gaming mice, mechanical keyboards, storage devices, printers, and whatever other accessories you throw at it. You also have a front-facing camera for your video calls, classes, or streams, alongside built-in speakers and a headphone audio output. For battery life, it houses a massive 90 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. While you'll definitely want to be plugged in with the included AC adapter for heavy gaming sessions to get maximum performance, that 90 watt-hour capacity means you can comfortably take this to a coffee shop, a classroom for hours of light productivity, web browsing, and video playback without constantly hunting for an outlet. As a massive bonus, when you boot up this laptop, it comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home and includes 3 months of Xbox PC Game Pass right out of the box. This means the second your laptop arrives, you instantly have access to hundreds of high-quality PC games to test out your new RTX 5070 Ti without having to spend an extra dime on games right away. It also includes a Microsoft Office trial, making it perfect for students. Acer stands behind their product too, offering a 1-year International Travelers Limited Warranty. This ITW gives you 24/7 access to a dedicated support team that specializes in the Predator brand, giving you ultimate peace of mind. Out of 32 customer ratings, this beast is holding a 4.0 out of 5 stars, and it's quickly climbing the ranks, currently sitting at number 441 in traditional laptop computers. So what is the final verdict? The Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 AI is nothing short of an engineering marvel for 2025. By pairing the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX with the RTX 5070 Ti and its 12 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory, Acer has created a future-proof machine that will handle absolutely anything you throw at it for years to come.
The 15-inch 240Hz 500 nit display is one of the best screens you can look at right now, and the 5th Gen AeroBlade cooling ensures you get every drop of performance out of the hardware. Whether you are a hardcore gamer, a dedicated student, or a creative professional rendering 3D models, this laptop will exceed your expectations. If you are ready to level up your setup, do not wait. Check out the link in the description below to see the latest price, read more user reviews, and grab this laptop on Amazon today. As always, if you found this review helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more cutting-edge tech reviews, and let me know down in the comments what game you would play first on the RTX 5070 Ti. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.